Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the photo suit editor and loading a single, clear portrait. This matters because accurate alignment determines realism. Once done, pick the suit template that matches posture and scale, and enable the alignment grid so you see reference lines. Next, set face and neck anchors. This tells the algorithm where to place collars and lapels. Do this now. It reduces manual corrections later and speeds up masking, so you can move to dressing within minutes. Now focus on fit. Place anchor points on the chin, both shoulders, and torso center so the suit deforms naturally when you resize. This is why placement accuracy matters. Then refine the mask edges using the brush tool, soften by 2 to 5 pixels to blend fabric with skin and erase any leftover background. After that, harmonize color. Match temperature and shadows so the suit's lighting follows the photo. These steps remove obvious seams and create a believable composite. Finish by adding subtle effects. Paint a collar shadow and a lapel crease to sell depth, then layer a fabric texture at about 80% opacity for realism. Once satisfied, export the image in the right format, JPEG for web, PNG if you need transparency, or TIFF for high-resolution prints. If something looks off, stop and re-anchor the key points, crop slightly tighter to remove background noise, and reapply the mask. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most alignment errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.